All right, determine if it's true or false, and if it is false, prove that it's false by providing a counterexample. If you live in a country that borders the United States, then you live in Canada. Well, Mexico also borders the United States, so we would say that this is a false statement. And just a second, sorry, gonna get my pen up here. False. You could live in Mexico. Okay. If an angle, number 19, if an angle measures 180 degrees, then it is, I'm sorry, if an angle measures 80 degrees, then it is acute. Is it possible to be an angle measuring 80 degrees and not be acute? No, it's not possible. Every angle that measures 80 degrees is defined as an acute angle. So we would just simply say that that's true and there's nothing else to be answered there.